I'm living like this by choice.
You gotta get back out in the world. Get out of that lonely house, that little workshop of yours. Get back out on the road. I mean, the core of man's spirit comes from new experiences.
God's placed it all around us. It's in everything, in anything we can experience. People just need to change the way they look at those things.